Highway 5 on a starry Sunday night, when this pickup truck flew by me out of control. As I watched through my headlights, he swerved left, then back right, never hit the brakes as he left the road. I found him lying in the grass among the steel and glass, with an empty whiskey bottle by his side. And through the blood and tears, he whispered in my ear a few last words just before he died. Well, don't tell Mama I was drinking. Lord knows her soul would never rest. And I can't leave this world with Mama thinking that I met the Lord with whiskey on my breath.